Welcome friends. Today we are going to know 25 most important general knowledge questions from computer science. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the topic. First question. What is called as the main folder on a storage device? Option is platform, interface, root directory, home page. The correct option is root directory. RAM is dash and dash, volatile temporary, non-volatile permanent, non-volatile temporary, volatile permanent. The correct option is volatile temporary. Next question. Which is not an item of hardware? Option is an MP3 file, a keyboard, a monitor, a mouse. Correct option is an MP3 file. Next question. The box that contains the central electronic component of the computer is the motherboard, system unit, peripheral, input device. The correct option is motherboard. Next question. Which of which type of device is computer monitor? Input, output, processing, software. Correct answer is output. Next question. How many options does a binary choice offer? 1, 2, 3. It depends on the amount of memory in the computer. The correct option is 2. Which menu is selected to cut, copy and paste? Option is File, Edit, Tools, Table. The correct option is Edit. Storage device inside the computer is CD-ROM, zip disk, super disk, hard disk. Correct option is hard disk. The dash indicates how much data a particular storage medium can hold. Option is access, capacity, memory, storage. Correct option is capacity. If you are going to a site you use often, instead of having to type in the address every time, you should. Option is save it as a file, make a copy of it, bookmark it, delete it. Correct option is bookmark it. The quickest and easiest way in world to locate a particular word or phrase in a document is to use the dash command. Replace, find, look up, search. The correct option is search. One or more defects or problem that prevent the software from working as intended or working at all is an bug, boot, programming language, fuzzy logic. The correct option is bug. Dash is the part of the computer that does the arithmetical calculation. Memory, OS, CPU, ALU. The correct option is ALU. A dash can make it easier to play games. Mouse, joystick, keyboard, pen. Correct option is joystick. File extensions are used in order to name the file, ensure the file name is not lost, identify the file type. The correct option is identify the file type. Password enable users to get into the system quickly, make efficient use of time, retain confidently of files, simplify file structures. The correct option is retain confidently of files. In page preview mode, you can see all pages of your documents. You can only see the page you are currently working on. You can only see pages that do not contain graphics. You can only see the title page of your documents. The correct option is you can only see the page you are currently working on. To navigate to a new web page for which you know the URL, type that URL in the browser dash and press enter. Option is address bar, domain bar, address button, name button. The correct option is address bar. The CPU, also called the dash when talking about PCs, does the vast majority of processing for a computer. Option is microprocessor, RAM, memory system, microprocessor. Option is microprocessor. A computer's type, processor and operating system define its brand, size, platform, speed. The correct option is speed. A Keysock is data organized and presented in a manner that has additional value beyond the value of the data itself. Combine microscopic electronic components on a single integrated circuit that process bits according to software instruction. Is a computer station that provides the public with specific and useful information and services. Describe a computer's type, processor, and operating system. The correct option is a computer station that provides the public with specific and useful information and services. The part of the CPU that accesses and decodes program instruction and coordinates the flow of data among various system components is the ALU, control unit, megahertz, motherboard. The correct option is control unit. Computer programs are written in high-level programming language. However, the human-readable version of a program is called. Option is cache, instruction set, source code, word size. The correct option is source code. Input, output and processing device grouped together to represent an mobile device, information processing cycle, circuit board, computer system. The correct option is information processing cycle. This is our last questions. Must website have a main page, the dash which act as a doorway to the rest of the website page? Option is search engine, home page, browser, URL. The correct option is home page.